In this video we will see how to make an increasing counter, and trust me, it is very easy. So let's see how it is done in just few minutes. So let me just quickly add the boilerplate. Now I will just add one h1 tag inside which our counter will be there, and I will just give this an ID of count. And yes, now we are done with our HTML, and yes, that's it for our HTML. And what we just need now, a script, so that we can write JavaScript in here. So for our counter to work, we will just declare a variable called a, and I will just give it a value 0. Now I will also declare one variable called count. I will say document dot get element by id and count to grab this element, the h1 tag. Now that's it. Now we need a set interval. Okay, that's how our counter will work, set interval, and I will define it every 10 milliseconds. That means after every 10 milliseconds it will run. Inside this I will just do a is equal to a plus 1. Oops, a is equal to a plus 1. That's it. Now I will just do if so let me just take you, but before we also need to do count dot inner text, okay, will be a. And yes, as you can see here, our counter is ready. So let me just show you, and as you can see, it is just increasing, but we don't want to increase it forever. Okay, so for that, what we can do, we can apply an if else statement. So we can write if a is greater than 199. What we will do, we will just declare the inner text will be 200, but else we want it to increase. Okay, we want it to increase, else we can do the same thing. And yes, now we are done. Okay, so now let's take a look and just reload that. As you can see here, it is just working fine, and after 200 it's stuck at 200. So how cool is that? And that is how you can create an increasing count. And one more thing you can add to make it more cooler, you can add like this one when you have a higher number. So you can add a k plus sign like this, and if I just save that and reload that, as you can see here, it is working great and looking great. Okay, so yes guys, this is how you can create an increasing counter, and you see how it is very simple. And one more thing, you can adjust the speed of the counter by changing this value. So if I just do 100, it will change slowly. As you can see, it is changing very slowly, but I think 10 was great. Okay, yep. So this is a video guys, I hope you like it, and if you do, hit the like button and subscribe for more JavaScript and HTML CSS videos. And that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.